Microsoft Teams is a chat-based platform which encourages collaborative working. You can share files and discuss projects and switch between video, voice and text chat. If you haven't already, you can download the Teams software by visiting this link. You'll be given the option to download the software onto your Mac or PC. This will now sit on your device in the Start menu. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into Teams. Open the desktop application and type in your Office 365 email address. Select Next. Then type in your password and select Sign In. The app will then launch. We recommend pinning Teams to your taskbar. Simply right-click on the Teams icon and choose Pin to Taskbar. If this is the first time you're logging into Teams, you may be asked whether you want to watch a quick walkthrough of Microsoft Teams. When you look at your homepage, you'll see a navigation bar to the far left-hand side of the screen. Let's take a look and see what each icon means. The first is Activity. This is where you'll see any mentions, replies and other notifications. If you click on the icon that looks like a filter, it will let you choose what you want to see, from unread messages to missed calls and replies. The next icon is Chat. This is where all your chat history appears and your chats are stored. The middle icon is Teams. This is a bit like your homepage. It shows you all the teams you're part of. The fourth icon is Meetings. You can see all the events from your Outlook calendar and schedule meetings here. And the last one is Files. From here you can access any of the recent files you have access to through Teams. Let's explore the Teams icon in a little more detail. When you click on the Teams icon, you can see a list of all the teams that you're part of. And within a team, you have various channels, which are topics of conversation within that particular team. It's within these channels that the work gets done, and you can hold meetings, have conversations, and share files with your team members. Every team comes with a general channel as default. You can add more channels by clicking on the ... icon to the right of the team name. At the top of each channel, you will find different tabs. These are to help you organise the content within your channel. There are ways of accessing your conversations, files and apps, and you have the option to create new tabs for anything else you may find useful. To add a new tab, simply click the plus sign and choose from the available apps. Let's take a look at the Meetings icon. Here you can see all the meetings you've planned for the day or the whole week. You can also schedule a meeting by selecting Schedule a Meeting at the bottom here. A new meeting window will appear, where you have the option to add a title, location, date and time, and the details of the meeting. To add someone to the meeting, click the Invite People section and type the name of the person you would like the meeting with. It's worth mentioning here that this calendar syncs with your Outlook calendar, which allows seamless working between the two apps. Then press Schedule. So let's take a look at the difference between conversations and chats. Channel conversations are public, so everyone in your team can see them and join in. To start a conversation, you need to be in a channel within Teams. Simply click on the conversation box at the bottom of the screen and start typing. If you want to mention someone specifically, you can put the @ symbol in front of their name and they'll receive a notification that you've mentioned them. These are really useful when you want to send a message to the group, ask a question, or get some dialogue going about a particular topic. Chats, on the other hand, are completely private, just between you and someone else or a select group of people. Click the Chats icon and start a private chat by clicking the pen icon at the top of the screen. Type the name of the person you want to privately chat with in the top bar and click on their name when it appears. Then simply click on the message bar at the bottom and start typing. Take a look at our video on chats and conversations in Teams for a more detailed explanation of all the things you can do. Another really useful feature is adding files to a channel. Once you have files in your team, you and your team members can edit the document at the same time, which is great for collaborative working. To find all the files which have been shared within the channel, click on the File tab. And if you want to see all of the files shared across the whole team, select Files, which is located on the left-hand side in the navigation bar. Watch our video on sharing files in Teams for a guide on how to upload files and create new documents. The search box in Teams is a very powerful tool. You can search for files, people, take quick actions, and even launch apps. Teams also has a mobile app. You can either access it through your phone via the App Store or Google Play Store, or by clicking on your picture on the right-hand side of Teams and selecting Download the mobile app. We hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to check out our other videos to help you make the most out of Microsoft Teams.